All right, we're gonna go ahead and show some of the steps on creating a block in the CAD. So first of all, we go home and uh, on this and this create a block. So I have a block on the screen, and then just you give it a name, and you just call it block one. Uh, You can pick a point, you just choose a point on the block, and then you select the object, and then hit enter, um, and then OK. And now I'm in the block editing window, and from this window now I can maybe edit this block. Let's say um, I want this block to be stretching when I'm using it in my CAD drawing. So there's this palette over here. There's this small palette here and has parameter, actions, parameter sets, and constraints. So if we come to parameter and then linear parameter, I can decide which side I want to stretch. Maybe longitudinal, or maybe the lateral. So I can just click both of the ends, and that gives me the distance, and then click on the distance. um, then I should have properties window open, and once I click distance, it gives me an option here, and change the number of clips to 1. Should make this small, sorry guys. So uh, so now I have created the long distance, which should be applicable in stretching this way to the right. So from that, I come to action, and I want the action I want for this parameter is to stretch. So click stretch. I come over here, click the first point, and then the next point. And when you do that, you see this turns red, and that shows us that now we have added the stretch parameter. So the next thing would be to specify first corner of stretch frame. Uh, for this case, I can just do the same side and the same location. And the last thing is to select the object that need to, uh, to have this parameter applied to, and now I can apply. I can select the whole block or just part of it, and then enter. And you see now we have a stretch parameter icon here, and we have an arrow, and we can come to the test block and test if that works. When you click the block in the test window, and you pull that, and you see it stretches, which is kind of nice to see. That's cool. That's applicable when you want short or long blocks to use. Maybe this is a sliding door. You might want to use it on a short area or maybe a long area. So you want to change the size when you're drawing. So that kind of helps you get that done. Awesome. Already, so close the test button and close the block editor and save the changes. Save all the changes, and now we're back to the main window. And you see our parameters still existing in this block. Thank you.